front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then hit App Cloner over here and tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Then use gray switcher next to Create App Clone and manage those two options. You can rename your app however you want to and hit Save. And also adjust option when using quick functions by tapping on it and selecting one of those options. When you finished, just go back. As you can see after that, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, use the same now blue switcher next to Create App Clone and hit Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!